In this video, I'll show you how to fix CapCut lagging on your computer. First, click on an empty black area in the timeline to make sure no clip is selected. Then click the full button above the preview window and lower the playback quality to medium. This will make playback much smoother without affecting the quality of your exported video. It only changes the preview quality. Next, click on the empty space in the timeline again, then open the Details panel in the top right corner. Click Modify, then go to Performance. Enable Proxy, set the proxy resolution to 540p, and click Save. This creates lower resolution preview files, making editing much smoother while keeping your final export at full quality. After that, close the window and click the Settings icon in the top menu, then select Settings. Under the Cache section, click the trash icon next to the cache size and choose Clear Cache Files. Click OK to remove temporary files that may be slowing down CapCut. Finally, go to the Performance tab and disable both hardware encoding and hardware decoding. Then click Save. Head back to your project, and your playback should now be much smoother and more responsive. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.